Hello everyone, myself B. Ramaprabha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, I am going to brief about instruction set and classification of instruction in 8085 microprocessor. What is instruction in microprocessor? An instruction is a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific function. The entire group of instructions that a microprocessor support is called instruction set. 8085 microprocessor has 246 instructions. Each instruction is represented by an 8-bit binary value. Instruction has two parts, opcode and operand. Opcode means the task to be performed. Operand means the data to be operated on. T-state. A portion of an operation carried out in one system clock period is called as T-state. Instruction cycle. Instruction cycle means time required to complete the execution of the instruction. It consists of 1 to 5 machine cycles. Fetch, decode and execute are subtasks of instruction cycle. Machine cycle. Time required to access the memory or input-output devices is called machine cycle. Classification of instruction. An instruction is a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform a particular task. Group of instructions is called instruction set. The instructions are classified in three ways. First one according to operation, second according to word size, third according to addressing modes. Instruction classification based on operation. The classification of instruction set of 8085 can be categorized into 5 different groups based on the nature of operation. First one, data transfer operations, arithmetic operation, logical operation, branching operation and machine control operations. Data transfer operation. This group of instruction copy data from a location called source to another location called destination without modifying the content of the source. In technical manual, the term data transfer is used for this copying function. Example for data transfer operation: move, move immediate, LXI, LDA, etc. Data transfer is nothing but similar to copy function. Data transfer type. The data transfer occur in following ways. First one, between registers. Second, specific data byte to a register or a memory location, between a memory location and a register, between an I/O device and the accumulator. Arithmetic operations. The arithmetic instructions of 8085 microprocessor perform the following operation: addition, subtraction, increment and decrement operations. Addition operation. Any 8-bit number or the content of a register or the content of a memory location can be added to the content of the accumulator and the resulted sum is stored in the accumulator register. The resulted carry bit is stored in the carry flag. In 8085, no two other registers can be added directly. That is, the content of B and C registers cannot be added directly. To add two 16-bit numbers, the 8085 provides DAD instruction. It adds the data within the register pair to the content of the HL register pair and the resulted sum is stored in the HL register pair. Subtraction operation. Any 8-bit number or the content of a register or the content of a memory location can be subtracted from the content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator register. The resulted borrow bit is stored in the carry flag. In 8085 microprocessor, no two other registers can be subtracted directly. Increment and decrement operation. The 8085 microprocessor has the increment and decrement instruction to increment and decrement the content of any register, memory location or register pair by 1. Logical operations. The logical instruction provided by 8085 microprocessor perform the following operations: AND, OR, NOT, XOR, compare, rotate, and complement. Logical operation. Using logical instruction, any 8-bit number or the content of a register or the content of a memory location can be logically ANDed, ORed, or exclusive ORed with the content of the accumulator, and the result is stored in the accumulator register. The result also affects the flags according to its definition. For example, the 0 result sets the 0 flag. The next logical operations are rotate and complement. Rotate. These instructions allow shifting of each bit in the accumulator register either left or right by 1 bit position. Complement operation. The result of accumulator can be complemented. With this, it replaces all zeros by ones and all ones by zeros. The fourth instruction is branching operations. These instructions allow the 8085 microprocessor to change the sequence of the program either unconditionally or under certain test condition. These instructions include branch instructions such as subroutine call and return instruction and restart instructions. The fifth instruction set is machine control operation. These instructions control the machine operation such as interrupt, halt, and hold. The microprocessor operations related to data manipulation can be summarized in 4 functions. The functions are copying data, performing arithmetic operation, performing logical operations, testing for a given condition, and altering the program sequence. Some important aspects of the instruction sets are: in data transfer, the content of the source are not destroyed, only the content of the destinations are changed. The data copy instruction do not affect the flags. In arithmetic and logical operations are performed with the content of the accumulator and the results are stored in the accumulator register. The flags are affected according to the result. Any register, including the memory, can be used for increment and decrement operation. A program sequence can be changed either conditionally or by testing for a given data condition. Thank you for watching this video.